it's Miss Mendez here. A bunch of you have reached out to me to help you with Ode to Joy. I'm going to show you today how to place your fingers on the recorder for Ode to Joy. Now we know we have a new note, and that's low D. So low D, you need your thumb, first finger, second finger, third, and then you're going to place your other thumb on the back of your recorder, and you are going to place 1, 2, 3. So you're going to have 6 fingers on the front. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That's all you need. And then you get a low D. It's a pretty sound when you blow nice and smoothly. For Ode to Joy, you got to take the song really slowly so that you can play beautifully at the end. The middle part is the trickiest. Let's just practice echoing on low D. So just echo after me. Ready? 1, 2, here I go. Try it. My turn. You. Let's try a different one. Again. All right, keep practicing low D. Once you get that, you will be set for the rest of the song. We're gonna do this song over the next few weeks, so don't worry if you can't get it right away. And remember, mistakes is what helps you get it in the end, right? Here's how Ode to Joy goes. Gotta start with B. So that is the first section, that is A. Now we're gonna go to B. We start with A. Here we go. Have your thumb ready in the back for that low D, okay? Then the last section, A section again. It's the same as the beginning. And that's all there is to it. Just do the best you can. Remember, if you make mistakes, it's okay. Don't stop, though. Remember, don't give up in the middle of the song. Keep it going, all right? Okay, let me know if you have any other questions. Keep practicing and do your best.